Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight I want to show you how to assemble this adjustable 5-shelf storage unit. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this storage unit, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Alright, the first thing I want to do is give you guys an idea for how thick your support beams are going to be here. Alright, let's take a quick measurement here. Just going to slip it over and just gently touch it right there. Alright, looks like we got just about 0.7 inches. And in case you're wondering how thick that is, well, if you've got some playing cards around the house, it's about 6 cards thick. And most of the other pieces are around the same thickness. Now, as we've just seen, these pieces are not made of extremely thick steel. It does twist here. So they're not going to support really heavy items. Here's a quick look at the wooden shelves that come with the storage unit. This is pressed wood. Let me get you guys a quick measurement on the thickness of that. I'm going to slide that right on in there. Just close it up. All right, that's going to be coming in at 0.23 inches. And if you're wondering how thick that is, well, if you've got 21 playing cards around the house, it's about 21 cards thick. All right, let me explain what we're looking at here. Of course, you got your 4 corner pieces here. So they're going to go on the sides. Then these 2 here are your connectors for the sides. These are your connectors for lengthwise. And then we have your center support beam. And these little guys are your connector brackets to connect the second level. And I'll show you how to wiggle them in these little slots here in just a second. First step is to take these little plastic caps and install them on the bottom of your support beams, making sure that the smaller portion is pointing toward the bottom. All right, you're just going to install one side on first and then push the other side on. Just like that. And of course, the last step is to install the wooden caps on the top of these support beams after you've installed the wooden shelves. This is basically how they're going to fit together. We got these 2 pegs in here that are just going to fit right like this. And you're going to pound these down with a rubber mallet. Here's a quick look at what it's going to look like when you hammer it all the way down to the bottom of the keyhole. Now with this center support beam, you're just going to take these tabs and bend them inwards, and they're going to fit right inside here on the other side. You're going to slide them in. So you're just going to take these tabs and bend them to a 90-degree angle like that. And they're just going to slide right into place, just like that. Here's how you install your extension bracket. You're just going to slide it right in like this. All right, this tab is on the outside, and you just slip it in, and you use a rubber mallet, maybe with a wooden dowel, to pound it till it gets halfway. Now, installing the top support beam in here can be a little bit tricky, so what I recommend doing is just installing it, sliding it in just a little bit, and then you're going to have to bend this and twist it a little bit so the other side will fit on the other side. And then once you got it in just a little bit, tap the top of it in, and it'll eventually just work itself in. And here's a quick look at what the base will look like when you're done. Alright guys, here's a look at the frame, and I built it like this so I can figure out where I want to put the shelves in here. Now if you count all the holes, you got about 44 holes from top to bottom. You got 72 inches tall this way, 35 inches across that way, and about 17.5 inches deep. Let me give you guys a close-up of that bracket sleeve I was talking about. So you just got to bend it a little bit to fit it in there. Let's finish it up. And here is what the finished product looks like. It's going to come over here and give it a little bit of a shake here. Sturdy enough for that. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome storage unit, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.